What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at QQQ, SPY, and then tech stocks, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, Meta, and Netflix. Guys, Tesla had its earnings. I just want to really quickly touch base on that, even though I'll be doing a complete separate video on Tesla once the guidance call has also happened. We have earnings out, and unfortunately, there are good things and the bad things here. Well, unfortunately, Tesla didn't beat on the earnings, so they miss on both EPS and revenue. However, the price is going up. So, and that's why I say that you let the earnings happen. Like there is a different type of trade we take before earnings and after earnings, because earnings will change the technicals completely. And look at it. Tesla is back up like almost just shy of $155. But guys, I'll be doing a complete separate video on Tesla later in the post market. Well, after the post market has closed, we have been through with the Tesla's guidance call, earnings call, everything. Elon Musk has spoken his big words and hoping that Tesla goes up from here. Let's see what happens. So, but in this video, let's talk about the QQQ, SPY, and other tech stocks. Okay, so QQQ. So yeah, guys, we are getting what from one of our levels that we were targeting 412. So we haven't really gotten all the way down to 200 days moving average yet. However, we are still not bullish. Okay, this is just a rebound that is happening in the downtrend. 20 days moving average has closed below 50 days moving average. As long as QQQ is not closing a day above 432 and 68 cents, I'm not on a bullish camp on this. And that's why we take profits on the extensions, and then that's why I take partial profits out on my SQQQ that I sold some of it on the fall. And if the price action starts to show me another rejections up here, then I'll reload. But yeah, we are still technically after this distribution phase. Right now we are still in the downtrend. This is just a rebound coming, and yes, intraday play was the long play above this level of 421, at least for intraday. Now, taking a look at hourly interval, what is it telling me? So right now, I'm watching this level pretty much where it is, 425 and 66 cents. Now, if tomorrow we continue to go above it, it has again room intraday to test 200 hours moving average. However, if we start to go lower, watch 421 on intraday. This could be still a support on intraday. And if we make a lower high here, then guys, we will not hold 421, and that's the beginning of again going down. So technically on intraday, things just like today was a long play on the swing side. Not swing side, sorry, intraday. I think my board also gave a profitable position. Let's take a look at that as well. All right, good profitable play today as well on my board on QQQ, so looking great. So, but yeah, guys, so if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators. All right, let's turn this thing off here. And so yeah, guys, intraday, as I said, as if these levels hold, intraday is still a long, can be taken as a long play as long as it's not breaking below 421. But then on the swing side, we are still just rebounding, and I would be closely watching this 200 hours moving average and this level of 432. All right, that's QQQ. Let's take a look at SPY. So we are having some rebound on SPY as well, just like we have stuff going on with QQQ. Let's start off with the daily interval. On SPY, I would say that this is the level to watch, 50 days moving average. As long as we are below it and below 20 days moving average, we are not bullish. It's just a rebound. But yes, it's a good structure rebound that is coming. I have to give it that though for sure. Let me actually change something here on the significant level depth. And yeah, I just want to check the levels here. All right. Let's go back to the hourly interval and let's take a look at what is SPY. All right, so here's the thing. SPY has most of the move it has already made. Now you are gonna see if it rejects at 200 hours moving average from underneath and if it's going to continue lower. The loss of the level of 503 at this point, I would say, is then again a continuation to the downside. Otherwise, you are watching if it holds support at 20 and 50. But yes, just like QQ intraday, we have been finding some bounce here, which is fine. That's the part of the game. Let's take a look at 4 hours interval as well. Yeah. So far, yeah, guys, we're still in the downtrend, but yes, this is If tomorrow we are still holding this level of 503, this then on SPY is looking like it's holding some structure back to the upside. Yeah, $503 level is the structure. A little bit of intraday already has changed, guys, okay? This was where you would want to see another leg down, but it broke out, and which it broke out also on a good volume candle. So just keep that in mind. It's an important level to watch. However, also though, on the swing side, you can also carry on this trend line, but I would just say 200 hours, 200 moving average, not just on 4 hours, but on hourly interval is what you gotta be watching, okay? Cool. That's SPY. Let's take a look at Microsoft. So on Microsoft, you are aware, let it load. Yeah, on Microsoft, I have a short play. I'm taking partial profits. I am taking, like, I took some at my significant level. I did size out a little bit more today just because things are going up. So I'm like, hey, I have a short position, right? So I'm like, I did take out some more today when we gapped up pretty much above. We opened higher, right? So the body. So I'm like, okay, we're going up. So I got to get out some more today. And I'm still holding. I'm still technically on the bear camp. Microsoft is not bullish for me on swing as long as we are still below $413. Okay, intraday it has little bit looking structure to the upside, at least intraday. And if we go to the hourly interval, what are those levels to watch if intraday continuation needs to happen to the upside? So let me actually do that. So yeah, as long as Microsoft is not breaking below tomorrow 403.62, this could be taken just as a pullback. Just use 20 hours and 50 hours moving average as a potential support on the pullback, and intraday long could be played around that, but not on the swing side. On the swing side, we first need to see if we break above 439.41. We are still below 200 hours moving average. So this is just a rebound, and we might head lower. And if we'll see if we find some higher pivot, but right now I'm not. On swing, no, I'm not seeing that higher pivot right now. Apple, let's go to the daily interval first. And Apple is trying to a little bit on the hourly interval go higher, but this is what you are watching with Apple, guys. Apple has a break of structure back to the upside if it can get above 168.47. Then it's a long play. Otherwise, you're gonna see if it rejects here, and then it's gonna continue another leg lower. Technically, we are still on the downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, but some intraday structural shift to the upside is above $167 range, 167 to 168. All right, that's Apple. Let's take a look at Google. So Google, as you know, is just not willing to give up. It's still going up trend and going higher. Am I buying here? No, I'm not buying up here. Am I shorting here? I'm not even shorting it here. Let me actually adjust something here. Significant level depth on Google. I want to keep it low. Here we go. Yeah. Okay, so no, I'm not buying here, guys. But yeah, this is still looking strong to me, and it's not showing any downtrend right now. One of the things you can watch is if it's going to form a double top here, but right now I'm not seeing confirmation of that. It's not even breaking below 20 days moving average. So Amazon. So Amazon, yeah, this thing is yeah, going back up, but anyways, this is the trade I was trying to chase to the downside. It's not there. You know, it's not confirmed trade. So yeah, right now gonna hold off on this, but this thing is trying to gain bullish momentum back again, guys. So if QQQ and SPY is not gonna continue sell off, this thing is not going to go lower. This is following very precisely QQQ and SPY. One of the short play I took that was profitable. This next one, let's see. Amazon is showing some, you know, some at least rebound, and this rebound may continue, guys. Yeah, you are watching pretty much this level tomorrow. If it break above 180, intraday it can go higher to close to 200 hours moving average again, and that would be the thing. But yeah, intraday it has been already confirming some higher highs, higher lows. So uptrend, yeah. If we lose tomorrow 177.54, this will again get into the bear camp. Otherwise, you have the intraday level to the upside already. I would only touch swing to the downside if it gets again 177.51. Otherwise, no. I'm not willing to buy Amazon to the long side. Just my opinion, though. Meta. So Meta, I'm already in the stop loss zone on this. So I opened up this short play, but Meta says, yay, gonna go up. But I don't think that we are bullish on Meta. We are below trend line. We are below 20 days moving average, and still below 50 days moving average. So I'm gonna still hold this position. I'm confident on this short play. Maybe add more as long as we are still underneath of this trend line, we are still in the lower highs though, guys, so, and lower lows still. So we haven't really changed the structure to the upside on this, in my opinion. Netflix. So Netflix, yes, I am in the short play and I have been making money on this. I did take some more out today as soon as we broke the high of the yesterday, and I covered some more. I have maybe now 25% position remaining on the short side. I don't think Netflix is bullish. We might just do this rebound and continue lower, but yeah, that's the play I'm in, and I think we'll continue to head lower. It's just that it's going to do its rebound with the market a little bit. So, but again, I'm sizing out. My stop loss is in place. I'm already in the money. I'm sizing out. Move is technique. Play is already in play. So that was the play. Right now it's just doing a rebound, and then we'll see if it rejects at one of these levels, 593 and or $600 range. It's cool. Okay, guys, well, that's it for this video. Before wrapping up, let's again see where Tesla is in the post market. Let's fingers crossed. Let's see if it's staying good. 152 right now in the post market. Here you can see. Let's go to the 5 minutes actually. And yeah, let's see if it continues to hold this gap. Wow, it's a little bit selling off. We would have earnings calls. Let's see what happens after that. But if we, yeah, I'll talk about it in a separate video, guys. But hoping that it holds this, I'm bullish on Tesla. So again, you know, we will see how guidance calls happens, and then we'll pick up technicals from there. Okay. All right, guys, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. Even on the downtrending days, guys, my bot has been given on, even on Tesla, guys, profitable positions. Look at it, even today, profitable move. So if you need access to my tools, guys, links are in the description below of this video, okay? All right, guys, bye.